right now the farmer in Syria or Lebanon, are they well equipped enough, like how to do the poultry farming, the usage of products, technology to get better FCR? So the farmers are having good knowledge in poultry farming.
Actually, up to now, we didn't have more technology, no technology in Syria and Lebanon up to now. There are a small of farms, only closed system.
Closed system, yeah.
No technology up to now. I hope technology to become in our farms a high technology, because we get better FCR.
Correct.
Yeah.
But right now, how is the farming in Syria and Lebanon? Open?
Yeah,
It's not
semi-closed.
Semi-closed.
And there are some farmers close 10% only.
Yeah.
And all farmers open.
Yeah. Even
Open
in
system.
Even in India, is majority of the farmers they do open system.
Like India.
Yeah. India is also.